Blueprint execution rules are an aspect of Unreal that lack a proper visualization to assist newcomers with their learning process. Here's a quick rundown. We'll use this example graph provided by a member of the community. A helpful change in the editor settings allows you to view midpoint arrows if your graph uses backwards wiring, and you'll also notice I disabled my grid for this video. The midpoint arrows draw according to the direction execution wires would trigger events. For an ordinary graph, this would be left to right. Exec, for execution, wires are the backbone of any blueprint graph and can be conceived as a pipe through which some fluid flows. Impure nodes along the path run as the fluid reaches them. Before impure nodes are executed, they'll need to evaluate their inputs. Each data pin's wire will be followed in the opposite direction that exec wires flow in order to grab the set of nodes it depends on. These nodes are lined up to be executed prior to the main impure node. Any pure node that is depended on by other pure nodes will also be part of the set of nodes. The set of nodes will run as if you connected the entire chain directly next to the impure node, just to the left of it in the graph, with no wires running right to left.